I'm working with the standard letter address label size. This app supports hundreds of different label sizes. To choose a different label size, go to Toolbar and click on Design Type. Next, let's go to Toolbar and choose the Contacts button. Select all the contact names that you wish to create labels for. Choose Generate Labels when you are ready. In this demo, we selected 22 contacts. This will generate 22 labels. Review your generated labels. There will be one label created for each contact selected. You can make edits to individual labels by going to Toolbar, Label Listings, and select the label you wish to edit. You can choose to print all labels at once, or print only selected labels. I had saved this file as My Holiday Labels. This saved file can be used for future edits and reprints. Thanks for watching. Download Orion Label and Print Studio from the Mac App Store.